maximum of the people cannot enjoy even the Christmas also.
Kajing ang note ban pelong ya ke India ke ri ke bala roy lapar hapo jostem arajar saupunyo ke lakta shibo ni ki samla jong gari ha ke bagi nong hikai baki Khynnah Pule kila ya ke jing kershan bat kamon ban ya trelang ban penyo ya ke thong ke bala mai phang da menteri rang ba do gari Narendra Modi ling ba ke jing play ya ke Viksit Bharat at 2047. Voice of Youth minsngining kong ka DD News kalaya kren bat ki Khynnah Pule bat ki professors na Ampati Degree College ban pan Jingmut na ki Halor kumno ki jaka ai jing hikai kila ban yarap ha ka ban besut ya ka jinglong nong yalam khnang ban lam shakmat ya gari.
According to me, our country India will look in 2047 will look like a global powerhouse of the world. As we live today in a country which is still a developing countries, but I hope that one day in 2047 we will reach the goal to become a developed country in the world and also a power global house in the world.
Akas house nam asa punya kari India kanong kari kabarai bah kan dan syo ka jing dunai ki surak aki Krishna ki thau haki jaka pakendau haki bat ki hospital ki lang ki babha bat ki babiang amana ki district.
We have many colleges, many educational institutions, thousands of universities, but in my personal opinion, the educational institutions that are already in place are not sufficient. The quality of education that has been followed has not been up to the mark, and that is the reason why we have the NEP 2020, which has just been put into effect. We hope that we should all be putting our hands together in making this a success.
I would like to see India a very prosperous, healthy country. Prosperous in the sense in every aspect, whether in economic or in social, whether is the less unemployment, and every person should live a healthy life irrespective of urban or rural area.
India has undergone significant growth and development across various aspects. India has progressed with many country transition from an agrarian economy and to a more diversified one, especially service and technology sector.
Menteri Katanat Animal Husbandry but Veterinary